Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to send videos as snaps on Snapchat in 2020. Very easy to do. So first things first, you want to go over to Snapchat and just go to your chats, and then you want to go to the chat that you want to send it to. Now, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly what it looks like. Obviously, when you have a video or a picture from your camera roll, it just goes in the chat like this. I'm going to show you guys how to send it as actual video snap. So what you want to do is just be on the chat section of your Snapchat, and then you want to go ahead and you want to download this app from the App Store called LMK. So you just want to download this really quickly from the App Store, and then you will be able to open it up. And then once you're in here, you just want to click on the plus icon. So you'll see something like this when you first open it up. You want to click on the plus icon, and then it's going to come to three options here: post, poll, or compare. Just remain on post. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the little camera icon right here. And then you'll be able to add your video that you want to send as a snap. So I just took this random video really quick for the tutorial, but this is where you would click on any video that you want to send to your friends on Snapchat. Then you want to click on choose. Once you have that there, it'll just compress it. And then it will create this with this little post over it. What we want to do is we want to click on post to Snapchat, and it'll bring us back over to Snapchat. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag on the board to say something thing, drag it over to the trash bin, and then we're going to click on the little paper clip that is highlighted in the right side, click on that, and then click on remove attachment, and that will remove the attachment from here, and now we just have our video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and send that to our friend. Click on send, and as you guys can see, it just delivered the video as a snap. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to send videos as snaps on Snapchat. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.